Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to get this quadratic formula using the quadratic format. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now you know that this formula is very popular. Minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So I'm going to teach you how to derive it today. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, the first step is that you have to remove the coefficient of this x squared by dividing all sides by a. Okay, that's cancel. We all know b cannot cancel a, and c can also cancel a. Okay, that will be x squared plus bx over a plus c over a is equal to 0. Alright, now the second thing you're going to want to do is to want to carry this 6 over a, this c over a to the other side. So that will be x squared plus bx over a is equal to minus c over a. Now notice that there's a minus there. That's because this plus sign was for the c over a. And when you move a plus or negative sign over the equality sign, the plus or negative sign changes to the opposite. Now that it was a plus sign, it changed to minus. If it were a negative sign, it should have changed to plus. Okay, now moving on. Okay, now we have x squared plus bx over a is equal to minus c over a. Now next step is that you want to turn this x squared plus bx over a to a perfect squared quadratic equation. Now how will you do that? You know, quadratic equations normally have 3 terms. Okay, so we want to add one more term to this x squared plus bx over a that will make it a perfect square quadratic equation. Now this is how you find the term. You're going to find the term by doing this. You're going to remove this x over a. This b over a, the coefficient of x, you are going to multiply it by 1 over 2. That will be b over 2a. Then you square it. This value is the one that when you add it to this side of the equation, it will make it a perfect square quadratic equation. Now you know that according to the laws of mathematics, anytime you add something to the right hand side, you have to add it to the left hand side too. So that will be x squared plus bx over a plus b over a over 2a all squared will be equal to minus c over a plus b over 2a all squared. Okay, now moving again. Okay, now when we factorize this, okay, we have x plus b over 2a all squared. It's a perfect square equation. Now is equal to minus c over a plus, when we square this, b times b is what? B square. 2a times 2a is what? 4a square. Like you have this is equal to b times b over 2a times 2a. Okay, now let's continue. So moving again, so we have x plus b over 2a all squared will be equal to what? It will be equal to, now the LCM of these two is 4a squared. Okay, then we have 4a squared divided by a, that's 4a, times minus c, that's minus 4ac. Now you can see that it's looking like this one already. It's looking like it. Okay, so moving back down, we have 4a squared over 4a squared times b squared. That's equal to 1 times b squared. That's plus b squared. Okay, so you can just rewind to see that they are looking familiar. All right, so now let's continue. Okay, so now that we have this, now realize that the equation was actually x is equal to minus b plus or equal, because we want to find the value of x or the values of x. Okay, so we have to find the square root of this so that we'll be able to separate x in this thing. So x plus b over 2a will now be equal to the square root of minus 4ac plus b square over 2a, because the square root was initially for all of them, but the square root of 4 is 2, the square root of a square is a. So moving on to another side now, we have x plus b over 2a is equal to the square root of, we can just rearrange it to be b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now realize that since this is the square root, there's going to be something called plus or minus here, because the square root of 4 is equal to plus or minus 2, because minus 2 times minus 2 will still give you 4, plus 2 times plus 2 will still give you 4. So that's why we're adding plus or minus here. Okay, so x will now be equal to, when you carry this one to the other side, minus b over 2a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now since they have the same denominator, you can just say x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Thank you for watching. God bless you in Jesus.